let's talk about add-ons. What are add-ons? Add-ons is a feature inside of Adobe Express on which it will enable you to access things that is not by default inside of Adobe Express. For example, some of the things would be analytics. If you are into checking out how can I evaluate my designs inside of Adobe Express using generative AI, how can I generate heat maps, that kind of things. There's a lot of them, as you would see. It has been growing throughout the years that I've been doing this types of session. So some of them would be how can you access extra storage, such as if you have Google Google storage, even for let's call this box. There's a add-on for that. If you want to have like design related workflows like clipping photos, which has been improving since the first time I did a session on this. Okay, and also add-ons comes in versions such as free and some are paid, which provides you, which will require you to have subscription on those services. Okay, I'm just going to also I'm going to also give you an idea what's the differences on them. Okay, so that is add-ons. It enables you to extend your functions inside of Adobe Express. Okay, so how do we access add-ons inside of Adobe Express? If you go to the website itself, if you go to express.adobe.com, you will see there is a section on the lower left of your screen, which is add-ons, which has been revamped or has been improved throughout the years. You would definitely see that now we have some of the suggested Adobe picks, such as these ones. I'm going to provide you some of them in the meantime. And also we have a category for all, on which you will see all of everything that we have inside of the add-ons category. Some of them would be, one of my favorites would be attention insight, as you would see here. We also have categories from trending add-ons, which are if you are into the loop of knowing what's going to be a trending one, you can easily do so. Presentation and docs, business needs, and you can even also create your own add-ons if you are into programming or into development, that kind of thing. You can easily do so. We have lots and lots of resources inside of this. So add-ons, if I click on the all category, it will have a new feature called a filter, on which it has a category for collections such as AI powered, social media, and all of these categories, including triggers for you to check what is free and what is paid as an add-on. Or even if you have your own add-ons that you installed yourself, like if you have created some of the add-ons that you have. Okay, so let's jump in to a demonstration of how to use add-ons inside of Adobe Express.